question that we have that we'll be talking about is square root of 2, 1 minus x is equals to x minus 1 for 4 marks. So if you look at my previous videos, these are the same questions that I'm dealing with, and the same strategy that I was teaching you in the previous videos is the one that you're supposed to use in these kind of videos. So save this video for later when you are preparing for your exams. So what is the first thing that you are going to do? You are going to square, because already it has been separated for us, so there is no need to move anything, right? So after squaring, you end up having 2 1 minus x. What is the purpose of squaring? Someone would ask the question. So for us to square, we are trying to get rid of what? This square root, right? Because if you square something that is inside a square root, you are automatically removing what? That square root, right? So we have 2 1 minus x is equals to x minus 1 squared. So x minus 1 squared is the same as x minus 1 times x minus 1, right? Which gives us x minus 1 minus 1 x minus 1, and it's going to be x squared minus 2x plus 1, right? So here we have x squared minus 2x plus 1, and then here we have 2 minus 2x is equals to x squared minus 2x plus 1, right? So here we are going to take this to that side, so it's going to be 0 is equals to x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus 2x minus 2. So 0 is equals to x squared. This one and that one cancels. 1 minus 2, that's negative 1. And what do we know about something that is like this? What do you understand about when you have something that is like this? Pause the video and then think for a minute what you understand by this. So after thinking for that minute, here we have difference of 2 squares. What is difference of 2 squares? When you have a number that is positive here, and then the next one, and this number is squared, and then the next one here is also a square, that's the difference of 2 squares, where we have a negative there. I'll do a video about difference of 2 squares if you want me, or difference of 2 cubes, and then I'll explain what it means and the examples that you have. So let me know if you want me to do a video about that. So x squared minus 1 squared, so the answer will be x plus 1 and x minus 1. So x is equals to 1, x is equals to negative 1. And then we come back to our original equation, and then after doing everything, don't forget to test your answers so that you can see if it's correct or not. So how do we test our answers? We come back here to the original equation. It's square root of 2 1 minus 1 for positive 1 or negative 1. So 1 minus 1 is equals to 1 minus 1 squared. So square root of 2, 1 minus 1 is what? 0. So 2 times 0 is 0. So square root of 0 is just 0, right? 1 minus 1 is 0, so it's 0 squared. So 1 is correct. And then let's go to in negative 1. So here we have square root of 2 1 minus 1 should be equal to minus 1 squared. So it's going to be square root of 2 1 plus 1, that's 2, right? So 1 plus 1, that's 2, is equals to, so square root of 4, it's 2. Here we have minus 1, that's minus 2. So minus 2 squared gives us 2. So both answers will be correct at the end of the day. So make sure that you test your answers and you validate your answers. Any questions, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and do leave a comment for me, and don't forget to like the video. Bye.